Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make bar graphs on Google Sheets. I have some data here of different seasons and number of students and which is their favorite season, and then we have the proportion of the population. So we can go ahead, just like we did before, we could highlight all of this. Go to Insert Chart. I like this little hotkey over here. It gives us our recommended chart, and it gives us a bar graph on the side with our different seasons. We can go to the different recommended ones, and we could check out all the different types. Pie chart might be kind of interesting for this. Automatically labels them for us. Notice it's just using the percentages on the pie charts. And all right, so there we go. We could go ahead and relabel these as we want and change it around. But suppose we want to just highlight these first two. Then you obviously just highlight those two and get that bar graph. There we go. And one thing I want to show you here is if we want to highlight this column and this column, you need to highlight each column independently. So you highlight the first one just normally by right-clicking and dragging, and then you hit Control and you drag and highlight that column as well. And there we go. It highlights both for me, and now it's going to take just this and this together to make my bar graph. And so it's going to take the proportion of the population and the seasons, and that's a way to pull data. So if we had, other data over here and data here, a lot of different columns of data. I'm choosing all 6, but it doesn't matter. You just click there, then you highlight whatever you need to highlight by hitting the Control. And you could do more than one too. Control, Control, Control. If you ever needed to do a bunch together and not have that, you could. So using that Control feature, it's slick to copy and pick whatever you want. All right, so that's a bar graph on Google Sheets.